Okay, well I'm printing this here, and I want to make this here a little bit custom. So I'm gonna modify this handle. I'm gonna put my logo in it. So if you got a logo, go to this page here, Converto CO PNG to SVG, and it says choose your file here. So you just click here, put your logo up, download the file, and we'll go over to tinkercad.com. And this is where we're going to tinker up actually I'll start right from the beginning. .com, and you're going to sign in to Tinkercad, but I'm already signed in, and you're going to go to create 3D design, and we're in here on this work plane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import that file. So choose file. I'm going to import my logo. I'm going to take it down by 50% because right here in red is too big for the build plate. So let's see, 650. So this should be good. Actually, I'm going to go a bit smaller. Let's do 30% and import. And my logo should come up here because I downloaded it from this website. So here's my logo. I'm going to import, choose file, and now I got to find the file from the Nutella thing. So handle, here it is, import. I'm going to put this logo on the handle. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to click this here, move this here out of the way a bit. Here we go, here's the handle. So I'm going to take this, move it down on the side, so I can see this end is what I want to put my logo on. So I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to downsize this, so I'm going to hold shift and bring it down. Oh. So shift again and bring it down to size. And we're going to click this and bring it up on his end. 90 degrees, good. So I'm going to bring this here back. I should put snap settings. Where's that to? I can't remember how I put that on. But anyways, I'm going to put this down a bit. Down to the floor. There we go. Take this one here up a bit. Or up. We're still down 3. Bring it up 2. Okay. I'm going to need to resize this, so we'll get it put on the plane, or on the handle. We're getting close. So I'm going to bring this back until it hits the handle. Bring this down so it fits inside the handle. And we're getting close already. I know this is not a very good instructional video, but you'll get the gist of what I'm doing here. Trying to get it lined up, and I want to make this smaller, so maybe let's drag this in. No, that's not right. Let me see. That's a bit better anyways. But you just want to line it up on this thing here. Right there. And let's bring it in to right there. We want to line it up in the middle, obviously, so let's do that now. Let's see. 0 and 0, I should have that. There we go, go right there. And put this one here on 0 and 0 if I can. 0. That's a bit off, so. And you can see the center by those lines there. I'm just trying to line it up good. There we go. Alright. Now let's go here and let's zoom in here. Take this one here, we're going to bring it back. Bring this one here in so it goes inside the object. Bring this down so it's not so big. That looks really good. It looks really good, so I'm going to click this here, object here, holding on shift, get the other object, so it selects two shapes, and then I'm going to click right here, and we'll make them one shape. There we go. So now I got my logo on it. This is going to be hard to print this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print it on this here angle, this here way, and I'm going to put a little bit of support under here, and I'll take the support off, and it should look really good. So that's how we make a logo on any 3D object, really. And I'm just going to export this now. STL. And okay, I'm gonna rename this to Newfound Drone Handle, and we'll put it in a Nutella dispenser and save. There we go. It's saved. So we'll X this out, and that's how you do it. So I'm going to go to Slice, and we're going to go for a new one. File, new project, discard. And we're going to open up that handle, just to see what it looks like. There we go. That's what it'll look like. And we're going to enable support, if I can. Okay, here we go. Generate support material. Threshold overhead. It's here on 60. Slice now, and we'll see what it looks like. It's perfect. So that's what I'm going to print next. Probably not going to do it right here, so let's see. Same as top. I don't want everywhere, so how do I get that out? Rectangular. Same top potential organic. I want tree, if I can. No, that's not good. I'm new to this slicer. Pattern rectangular. Anyways, I'm going to leave it like that. It shouldn't be hard to clean up. But anyways, slice now. There we go. That's tree organic. That should be easier to haul off. Okay, well that's how you do it. When I go to print it, I'll update you on that as well. But that's how you put your logo on any object, really. So stay tuned, and I'll do the whole dispenser in the next video. Cheers.